Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, giving y'all that good content, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go and like, share the video, smash that subscribe button as well, turn on all post notifications to be notified every time I post a video. What we finna do today, about to install, pretty not install, but I'm about to put these flexible rubber mud flaps on my car. I'm already in the process of doing it. I started recording just because. Other than that, it's a pretty neat looking mod. But other than that, let's get into the video, man.
Hey, hey, yeah. Levels, it is.
So we're gonna start with the front wheel first. You're gonna turn it so you have clearance to get the mud flaps on there.
Sean Bentley.
So I'm just pointing at where I'm lining up my mud flap at. This is how you want to do it on a TownCar. So just be careful when doing this. You see, like, I don't know what it, I think it's like the plastic or something in the inside of it. I don't know what it is, but you kind of have to angle it a certain way. If you push it in straight forward, it kind of like bends a little bit. But I end up using a smaller screw. I'll show y'all here in a second. And then once again, I'm just lining it up, showing you how I line it up. This is how I kept it accurate, no measurements, anything needed. Just lined it up with how the wheel well is. Normally, like on newer cars, they have obviously the whole wheel well is there. It's like one little straight line or one little flat surface. This car can make a difference, actually made on the frame, so that's why I built this way.
Sean Bentley.
Once you get everything set and straight, get back inside the car, just turn the wheel, make sure you have clearance or whatever, because you might have bigger tires than I do, so make sure you have clearance and stuff. Mine looks the way it does because I have that side skirt at the bottom. I might end up taking it out, really don't like it on my car. So we're about to start on the rear. You will need a jack and a forward lug wrench to get off the tire and the wheel. It's going to be pretty simple. You have to remove the tire. I tried it without it on the other side. It shit did not work out right. But you will need all these tools. It's a little more trickier on here because once again, newer cars or other cars in general have an actual solid wheel well. This has like an empty space due to its frame, which is still better to have the frame. But just make sure you line it up the best way you can. I'm still lining up the same way I did the front. You just have less space to the right, and the mud flap's going to it's going to be straight, but it just looks kind of funny at the same time. You won't see it unless it's literally the car because you're like. So for the most part, that is it. You just need some extra screws for this job. They only give you literally 8 screws. I don't know why. 2 from the side. I don't understand it. But make sure you put your wheel back on. Get everything back on. You're pretty much good to go. And also, you see how like I kind of stuck mine out and make sure that my mud flap stuck out as well. I didn't really explain that in the beginning, but you can see I got my mud flap. It's actually sticking out. The top part, you want that to stick out closer to the right, close to the edge as possible as well. So make sure you try to line it up as much as possible.
Hola.